Missing teeth can be a burden to a person trying to smile, chew, and enjoy their life. Your teeth and jaw are balanced in a certain configuration, and losing a tooth can upset that balance and result in neighboring teeth to shift, break, or even get loose in some cases. Now, there are 4 options available to a person who's missing teeth. Option number 1 is to do nothing. Now, this is not to be confused with free. There is a biological cost to doing nothing, and that the teeth can shift. And also, when you lose a tooth, you actually lose the surrounding bone. Option number 2 is a removable partial denture. Now, what does that mean? Essentially, it's a plate which has some false teeth on it. It could be a single tooth, could be multiple teeth, or it could be a full set. This is commonly referred to as falsies. They can look the part, however, in a lot of cases, it is difficult to bite into food with a denture. So it may take some time to adjust. Option number 3 is a bridge. Basically, drill 2 teeth on either side to replace a tooth in the middle. There is a biological cost here because if we're drilling 2 healthy teeth to replace a single missing tooth, then it may not necessarily be the best option for you. However, the advantages are that it is fixed in and it can be done relatively quickly. Option number 4 is dental implants. Now, generally speaking, dental implants is the best way to replace a single tooth, multiple teeth, or a full set of teeth. The full set could be replaced on as little as 4 implants, which is quite impressive. Dental implants does not require any drilling of the adjacent teeth, and so it is a standalone structure that basically involves us having to put a screw into your jawbone, which acts as an anchor for you to be able to chew and smile however you like. Dental implants is a medical procedure, and it does carry some risks, so it's best to seek professional advice. That's why we offer free assessment here at Northmed Dental to see if you're suitable and if implants are right for you. If you have any questions or any queries or anything like that, please feel free to reach out. I'm passionate and I love what I do, and I'll be more than happy to answer any questions before coming and see us.